This is the Amazfit GTR 5, a smartwatch that claims to blend classic watch looks with all-day health tracking. But after digging into what it actually offers, and what it doesn't, I found some interesting surprises. Is it the all-in-one companion you think you're buying, or more of a compromised watch with a great battery? Let's find out. Amazfit GTR 5 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Amazfit GTR 5 is from Amazfit, owned by Zepp Health, a brand known for mixing classic watch aesthetics with smartwatch and fitness features. It's the latest, or among the latest, in the GTR line, aimed at users who want smartwatch-level health and fitness tracking without losing the feel of a proper wristwatch. The pitch is clear. Get a full suite of health sensors plus smartwatch conveniences wrapped in a watch that doesn't scream tech gadget. Amazfit GTR 5 Performance. Alright, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? Based on what we know from prior GTR models and what's being rumored for the GTR 5, the watch is built around responsive health tracking and endurance. Previous GTR models impressed reviewers by delivering upward of 3 weeks of real-world battery life, with heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, regular notifications, and moderate activity. That matters in real life. Instead of stressing about nightly charging like you would with many smartwatches, you can wear this all day, gym, work, sleep, and just plug it in a few times a month. And for the kind of user who values tracking health, sleep, and activity consistently, that's a massive win. That said, heavy features like constant GPS, always-on display, or frequent sensor updates will pull battery much faster, so your mileage will vary. We don't yet have long-term hands-on third-party reviews for GTR 5 specifically, and that's a key caveat. Some forum threads suggest the GTR 5 name might just be an alias for another model. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the GTR 5 interesting and why those features matter day to day. AMOLED display and classic look. The brighter, colorful AMOLED screen, as reported by sources talking about GTR 5, gives crisp text and vivid watch faces, great for reading notifications or fitness stats on the go. The watch keeps a traditional, round design, which means it slides under a sleeve or looks classy at a meeting or at the gym. Health and fitness tracking. GTR, and presumably GTR 5, includes continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2, blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking, and likely stress or wellness metrics. For anyone trying to keep tabs on overall health, not just steps, that's a compelling package. Battery life that lasts, realistically. With a more modest sensor and feature usage, the watch reportedly runs for weeks on a single charge. That's the kind of battery life you get if you value long-term tracking over daily charging chores. That said, heavy features like constant GPS, always-on display, or frequent sensor updates will pull battery much faster, so your mileage will vary. We don't yet have long-term hands-on third-party reviews for GTR 5 specifically, and that's a key caveat. Some forum threads suggest the GTR 5 name might just be an alias for another model. Design and build. Aesthetically, Amazfit gets this spot on. The GTR line always aimed for a balance between modern and classic, a round face, clean body, and a look that works with jeans or a suit. Early reviews of the GTR and commentary around the potential GTR 5 highlight a slim, comfortable build that doesn't feel bulky for all-day wear. The materials tend to feel solid, metal or alloy body, and a durable display, often with scratch-resistant glass. In short, if you care about looks as much as function, you won't feel like you're wearing a toy. That said, because this isn't built around a major app ecosystem or heavy smartwatch features, you won't get flashy extras like music playback directly from the watch without a phone, full app stores, or deep third-party integrations. It's purposeful minimalism. Pros. Clean design and premium feel. Looks like a regular watch but feels smart. Strong health and fitness feature set for everyday wellness tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, etc. Lightweight and comfortable enough for daily wear, workouts, or sleep. Cons. Not a full smartwatch. Limited app ecosystem and smartwatch features compared with high-end devices. Because the GTR 5 naming is fuzzy, long-term support and clarity on specs can be inconsistent. Final verdict. So, who is the Amazfit GTR 5 really for? And is it worth your money? If you're the type who sees a smartwatch as an extension of a fitness band, you care about health metrics, you want long battery life, you want something subtle on your wrist, the GTR 5 is a solid fit. It's not about flashy apps or smartwatch wars. It's about consistency, reliability, and wearing a watch that doesn't demand daily charging. In 2025, when Wear OS watches, full-featured smartwatches, and phones and a watch are common, GTR 5 stands out as a niche pick.